Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make fruit salad cream. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, which is crucial for a smooth base. Next, measure out 1/4 cup of granulated sugar to add just the right amount of sweetness. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for that classic flavor. Finally, have 16 ounces of whipped topping, thawed, ready to incorporate for a light and airy texture. Now, let's create the creamy base. In a large bowl, beat the softened cream cheese with an electric mixer until it's completely smooth and free of lumps. This step ensures a silky texture. Gradually add the granulated sugar and vanilla extract, continuing to beat until the mixture becomes light and fluffy. Finally, gently fold in the thawed whipped topping until everything is just combined, being careful not to overmix and deflate the air. With our cream base ready, it's time for the fruit. Select your favorite fresh or well-drained canned fruits, such as berries, grapes, or mandarin oranges. If using canned fruit, ensure it's thoroughly drained to prevent a watery salad. Gently fold the prepared fruit into the cream mixture until evenly distributed. Once combined, cover the fruit salad cream and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Your delicious fruit salad cream is now ready to serve. Enjoy it chilled as a refreshing dessert or a delightful side dish. For an extra touch, garnish with a sprig of fresh mint or a few extra berries before serving. It's perfect for gatherings or a simple treat at home. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days to maintain freshness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.